Hello all. So we have finished 38 classes of this year for the batch 2025 and 38 lectures we have covered for aircraft propulsion. In that I think 5-6 more lectures are remaining for aircraft propulsion, and then we'll be starting aircraft structure, and then so on will be starting other subjects for GATE Aerospace 2025. So this video I am making how to prepare for GATE Aerospace 2025. So in GATE Aerospace 2025 you have to consider few things very important. Aircraft structure, aircraft propulsion, these two subjects are going to play very important role in your All India rank. So like in my coaching, okay, many of you are watching my video for the very first time, so you should know things about me. My name is Vikash Kumar Shrivastav, and I am an IITian. I am running a dedicated coaching center for GATE Aerospace. GATE 2025 is my, I think, 11th or 12th batch. GATE 2014 was my first batch, and I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 7 times, and I have given so many toppers from my own coaching, and all the students are enjoying their life in different IITs. Many of the students, they have completed their PG degrees and from several IITs. So I have a very good plan for you guys. If you are joining my coaching center, I will be teaching you from very much basics, everything from scratch. I do that for always. And to know more details, you just go through videos of my channel. I have uploaded already lot of videos. I have uploaded more than 1000 videos are there. Coaching I'm running from 2014 for GATE Aerospace, but this YouTube channel I made in 2018, but that time I was not so much active. After COVID only I became so much active. So this video is about how to prepare for GATE Aerospace 2025. So one thing, I just, if you are having, if you're not having money problem, if you can arrange some fees for me, you just pay the fees and start your preparation. To know more about my fee structure of different types of batches, just text me and say that your name is this, you are in this semester, you are from this college, and you want to prepare for GATE Aerospace exam, and I'll be giving you my fee structure and you can join me. Now see, I think 7-8 lectures are remaining in aircraft propulsion, and whatever 38 lectures we have covered till tonight, those lectures for aircraft propulsion you can again study when I'll be having revision batches and when I'll be having crash course batches. Those time you can study them live, or all the videos of the live class I have recorded as it is. I have recordings from after COVID only I have started. So I have recordings of 2021 batch, 2022 batch, 2023 batch, 2024 batch, and now I'm recording for 2025 batch. So the complete session, complete set of classes I have recorded. So the current recordings of 2025 batch is available, and when you will join my coaching, then all previous aircraft propulsion videos, that those 38 lectures and the remaining upcoming videos of the live classes will be available for you, and you will join my coaching from that current class. Suppose you are joining tomorrow, so that will be 39th class. Suppose you are joining not today or tomorrow, you are joining after 4, 5, 7 days something, when aircraft propulsion got over. In that case, you can join me from aircraft structure, and the aircraft propulsion videos, all the videos will be there for you. You watch those videos and ask your doubts to me after watching every lecture. See, how should you prepare? You watch those lectures one by one, one by one. Ask your doubts me personally on private calls. Ask your doubts in detail. Watch lecture, make your notes. Watch lecture, make your notes. When topic gets over, then solve assignments. Assignments are there with detailed solution. If you don't understand solution in the assignment, or you have some doubt in the assignment, then ask your doubts, because see, you are already late. Already my live batch, regular batch students, they have solved those assignments. I will be adding you in my WhatsApp groups. I have 2 WhatsApp groups. In one WhatsApp groups I give class updates. In one WhatsApp group we do discussions. Now when you will solve assignments of the particular topic what you have covered from the lecture, then if you don't have doubts, if your topic is completely clear, then you go for the third stage. What is third stage? You have to solve topic wise test series of that particular topic. Let's talk about test series. I have very good properly designed test series for GATE aerospace exam, and all the questions are genuine, perfectly very well planned questions are there, and they have solutions. When you submit the test series, then you get solution. Now one more thing I want to tell you here. Some people, they think solving very tough problems make any test series better test series. No guys, test series should be a balanced test series. In the test series, because even I have been a student, so I know things very closely. Test series should have GATE level. Test series should not have that level that you are not able to solve any problem. I mean, some people, they make their test series very extremely tough, and I got fooled in my time. I purchased some test series, and that was very costly, of course, and the test series was having IAS level mechanics problems in that GATE aerospace test series, and very tough problems of IIT advanced level in the mathematics. So that is not GATE aerospace level. So because I have qualified GATE exams 7 times, aerospace exams, GATE aerospace, I am running a dedicated coaching center from last so many years. So I am so much into this academic. So my test series is designed like the way GATE question used to come, and with solution. And for many tough questions, I have given you video solutions as well. And anyway, we used to be in contact every day. So 3 types of doubts you will be, actually 4 types of doubts you will be having. One thing, I am running live classes, so when you will join the live class, then you may have doubt in the live class itself. So that doubt we will clear in the class itself. Then if you have missed previous classes, those classes you will watch through the videos. And one more thing guys, whatever videos I'll be having, those videos I will be giving you till your GATE exam. It's not like lifetime or something. It will be there with you till your GATE exam. And it's not like I will hide the video. No. If you are joining today, all the videos will be given to you, and all the new class videos will be added after every class, and you'll be having access of those videos. Till when? Till your GATE exam of that year. Okay. If you are enrolled in 1 year program, then for that particular GATE exam. If you are enrolled in 2 years program, then the next GATE exam video validity will be there. If you are enrolled with me for 3 years program, like see, best advice for the first year students, guys, join immediately when you are in first year, because GATE preparation will help you to clear your concept on time, because those concepts are going to help you in academics also. So some people think that no, when I'll be in 3rd year, then I'll prepare for GATE exam. But I say no, when you are in first year, start preparing for GATE exam. My fees you can easily afford. I mean, I'm sorry, many people may not afford, but on average when people go to private colleges, I know they can afford. And I have different types of plans. Okay, I have even plans for 15,000 rupees. I have even plans for 20,000 rupees. So like different plans are there with different advantages. So you can join any plan as per. You can also take an only video course, because I teach everything from scratch. So even students who are taking video course, even they are very much satisfied, and even they are giving fabulous ranks every year. I hope you understand. So first doubt is in live class. Next doubt you may have after watching the video. So that doubt you will ask me. Third doubt, when you are solving assignment, even though solution is given, but you may not understand the steps in the solution, or you are missing something, or you got some extra doubt. So those type of. So, and the fourth doubt is when you are solving the test series, after submitting the test series, when you are reading the solution, maybe in solution you may not have the very clear picture. That time you may have some doubt. So these 4 types of doubts will be there. And of course, once you become my student, then slowly day by day you learn new things. So someday you may have like, sir, that day you said like this and I am thinking like this. So these kind of doubts, like the syllabus itself can be the reason for your doubts. So those kind of doubts I will be taking properly. Okay, and that's all. You have to prepare well. Prepare well because you have to write down, I mean you have to take your GATE exam alone. That time I will not be there with you in your exam hall. So focus properly. It takes time to qualify GATE exam. It takes time to prepare for GATE exam. Many people, they have content from different coaching center. Even my coaching center content is running free of cost here and there. Somehow some students, they cheated me, and the content is running here and there. I don't know that content reached to you or not yet, but yeah, it got leaked. Some students, they cheated me, and that time I was not that much professional, like okay, someone can do like this also, but it has happened. So if you have my if you have access of my content, watch in that way, because I know, even I have been students, you know how we download PDF and how do we do things. So it's fine, I understand that part also. Anyway, if my content is helping you somehow, I'm glad for that, and I hope, because many students this year, they texted me after GATE rank that sir, I was watching your YouTube videos back to back and I got this rank. So already lot of videos I have uploaded. You go to different folders. Okay, I'm uploading video from long back, even from that time when my English was not so good. Today also my English is not so great, but it's okay. I hope you understand this. So being an IITian is like, this part is different. This will make you different. So if after GATE aerospace exam, what will you do? One thing, you will join any IIT. Next thing, there is chance that in future you may join any PSU. GATE aerospace exam is not having direct job in any PSU, but in some places they are having requirements of your GATE aerospace rank. People who are targeting to qualify ISRO exam, DRDO exam, HAL exam, these kind of PSU exams, for them GATE preparation is very important. And students who are targeting to pursue their master degree or PhD, of course GATE aerospace exam is very important. My channel is dedicated only for GATE aerospace exam. Yeah, sometimes here and there videos I used to upload, but channel is only for GATE aerospace exam. Okay, so for fee structure and all, you should contact me. So today we had our 38th class got over, and today I taught velocity triangle of the compressor. We are in axial compressors, CFC and AFC. Okay, you should know the date. आज तारीख कितनी है? This is 22/4, मतलब 22 तारीख है, 4th month, मतलब अप्रैल का महीना है, मंडे है आज. So we have long journey to go for 2025. April, May, June, July, August, September, October. By October mid, we'll be having syllabus over. I will teach you everything, all the subjects, engineering, mathematics and aptitude, everything I'll be guiding you very properly, so you can join me without any hesitation. You can contact me on WhatsApp, and if your query will be genuine, if you will be motivated to join me, then we'll be having call and proper discussion before your admission. I hope this goes well. Thank you all.